Axway's business-to-business integration, or B2Bi, has been the foundation of large enterprise business-to-business interactions inside the enterprise, along the supply value chain, and throughout the trading community for years. In today's world, competition is more fierce than ever before, and companies are expected to be more agile and more responsive, while the amount and complexity of data that needs to be handled grows year over year. That's why Axway has put resources behind the development of a comprehensive B2B solution that can scale with these growing needs. But before we talk about what makes Axway so unique, it is important to understand the B2B solutions in general. In a generic way, but also for vertical industries like healthcare, finance and logistics, B2Bi supports the transfer and integration of files in a wide variety of formats and transported over a multitude of protocols, representing billions of dollars in transactions every day. B2Bi enables any-to-any exchanges between applications and partners. This diagram gives a conceptual overview of the various trading patterns. Applications traditionally resided in your private network, although this changes with hybrid architectures these days. In a basic exchange between applications and B2Bi, typically no enveloping or specific packaging is required. Applications typically consume and produce native or in-house formats like XML, IDOC, JSON, or a true proprietary flat file format. Partners represent exchanges with trading partners. They typically require secure transport, and they may involve the trading of EDI documents that require specific processing, such as transformation, enveloping, splitting, and functional acknowledgement handling. B2Bi, in a hub-and-spoke communication architecture, can be configured in any combination of the message flows presented in the diagram: A to A, A to B, B to A, and B to B. In these exchanges, Axway B2Bi serves as the central edge, which global enterprises depend on to run operations, both internally and between customers and partners alike. Axway is unique in the ability to offer the same powerful solution in both an on-premise and a managed service setting. This gives customers the ability to outsource their infrastructure without a loss of functionality and without expensive and time-consuming refactoring. In the market, we see the following trends. We see higher volumes, stricter SLAs, virtualization, globalization, outsourcing, and hybrid integration patterns. To keep up with all these trends, large enterprise customers require a business-to-business solution that can interact with the cloud, as well as their existing legacy on-premise system. They need a solution that complies with increased security, raised levels of redundancy, and data visibility at all times. The growth rate of the managed service market outpaces the growth rate of the on-premise market with a factor of 5 in recent analyst reports. This confirms what we see happening at our customers. As mentioned before, Axway provides you the ability to choose what's best for your organization without having to sacrifice functionality. Furthermore, the B2B solution of choice needs to come with a provider that can support a global enterprise with services and with innovative, scalable, and easy-to-use solutions, like Axway's new global web mailbox solution, WebTrader, so that enterprise businesses can focus on their line of business without concern that their data infrastructure will be a bottleneck to their growth and customer outreach. Axway's B2Bi solution is among the world's most secure and best performing solutions on the market for both large and mid-sized companies. In the next coming quarters, we're going to take it to the next level. The Axway B2Bi solution will not only be scalable, high available, and redundant like it is today, but we will allow you as a customer to have your B2Bi infrastructure geo-distributed across multiple data centers. We've rolled this out in a limited scope in 2016 to a designated set of customers. One of them is a federal government agency, a long-standing customer who recently transformed the traditional B2Bi cluster into a brand new geo-clustered web mailbox solution. This customer's end users will have access to their data anywhere at any time, and it will be entirely transparent for them to which cluster or data center they are connected to upload new transmissions or view their historical transmissions. No complicated disaster recovery scenarios anymore, but a solution that is always on and the data is always available. With over 11,000 customers exchanging over 1 billion transactions per day Axway has a proven track record. With the next releases in January 2017 and another release later that year, Axway will continue to improve the B2B offering, extending our capabilities to deliver scalability to your operations, wherever you are and wherever your customers are. We encourage you to reach out to us online or go to axway.com/B2bi to learn more about Axway and the B2B product offering.